Watch this. Watch this.
Nigerians too will have an opportunity the next 4 or 5 months. They will actually be option to buy their shares. And like what I promised before, people will have a choice either to get their dividend in Naira or to get their dividends in dollars.
So if you are hearing about these Dangote shares and you want to participate, like you want to buy the shares, that is Dangote Refinery, and you don't know how to do it, then watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you guys how to buy Dangote Refinery shares that will be launched in months to come. So stay tuned and see the guide. So back to business. So the thing is, the Dangote refinery share, one important thing to note is Dangote is promising that it will be listed in 4 to 5 months, which is between June and July. And he also said that you can invest in Naira and get paid in dollar, get your dividends in dollar, which is a very good something, and that is the first time it's happening in Nigerian stock exchange. Okay, I know the most important things you guys want to hear is maybe the listing amount. Well, the listing amount for now is not yet known because it is still being checked in Nigerian Stock Exchange and Nigerian Security Regulatory Group. So whether it's listing with 15 naira or 1,000 or 5,000, nobody know yet. But before that June, I'm sure everything will be out, and I'll update you guys here. So you guys, I know most of you knows about Bamboo and True, but that is not the first place this Dangote refinery is most likely going to be listed. It's going to be listed in Nigerian Stock Exchange (NGX). So if you want to be one of the first people to buy this stock, then you have to create an account with Nigerian Exchange Group. Create an account and wait till it get listed. That is the official broker or website for the listing. So stay tuned. In the next video, I will show you guys on how to create an account or open an account in NGX. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.